In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact subscriber to Substack. If you've got a single person who's asked to join your publication, adding them manually is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll also share a few tips to keep things clean and compliant along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to substack.com. Sign into your account and make sure you're in the correct publication if you manage more than one. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your publication's dashboard with the navigation menu running down the left side of the screen. From that left-hand menu, click Subscribers. This opens your subscribers area where you can see your current reader list, their status, and growth over time. Toward the top of this page, you'll find a prominent button to add people to your list. This is where you'll handle a single manual addition. Go ahead and click Add Subscribers. A window or side panel will appear with simple options. You'll see a text field for entering addresses directly. This is the fast lane for adding just one contact without importing a file or changing any broader settings. Type the person's email address carefully into the field. It's worth pausing to double check spelling, punctuation, and any stray spaces because a small typo can bounce or misroute messages. Only add someone who has explicitly agreed to receive your emails to keep your list healthy and compliant with anti-spam rules and Substack's policies. Depending on your setup, you might see optional fields like a name, a note, or a tag. Those can help you stay organized, but they're not required. If there's a toggle to send a welcome email, choose the option that fits your workflow. Sending one can orient new readers, while skipping it can be useful if you've already welcomed them elsewhere. When everything looks good, click Add Emails. Substack will process the address and confirm that the subscriber has been added. If the address already exists on your list, you'll see a notice instead of a duplicate entry. For most publications, manual additions are added as free subscribers by default. If you offer paid plans, you can manage upgrades later from your subscribers list. After adding, give it a moment for the dashboard to refresh and consider sending your next post soon so the new reader receives timely content. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and respectful of your audience's preferences.